Parker, and welcome to the farm of the Little Red Barn. So right here we have a few Cornish game hens, and Cornish game hens are just the chickens that you would find in the store. So like meat birds, meat chickens. This one and a few other ones are part of a barnyard mix or barnyard flock, and that's when a bunch of different species or types of chickens have a kid together, or like have kids or whatever. And you get just a random, mixture of stuff. And we have 2 chicks with tufts. And the funny thing is, we don't have any chickens with tufts, and there's no wild chickens or anything around. So it's just sometimes you get luck of like the draw, like genetics or whatever from long ago. They'll just come out of a chicken randomly, or 2 mixtures of a chicken and like that. And he is our leghorn or white layer chicken. He is a rooster, so he doesn't lay eggs. Beside him there's a few, like right there we have the white one is also a leghorn white layer, and she is a girl and she lays eggs. So right here we've got a brown hen chicken, so brown layer, and she actually didn't hatch any of these babies. She adopted them all from the chickens who did hatch them, because the chickens that hatch them are not very good moms, so we had to find someone who would adopt them or the babies would not make it. These babies were originally under 2 meat birds because they're pretty good at laying eggs. Pretty good at hatching the eggs. So this chicken originally was hatching eggs, but then she stopped in the middle of the process, which isn't very good. But she adopted all these babies, and she'll most likely adopt the ones that are going to hatch more, because we have more hatching that are coming on the way probably. Alright, so right here we've got our little hatchery area, so where the chickens will hatch out the babies. Right here we've got an example. This is the mom, one of the moms that hatched out the chicks, the adopted chicks from the foster mom, the brown chicken. She is very good at being broody. Broody means the chickens want to be a mom, so they'll incubate the eggs and let them grow inside of their shells and then hatch them out. But she's not a great mom, so she has a baby under her right now. See if I can find it. See, she's pretty good at protecting the eggs. It's right here. And once this chick gets strong enough or big enough, we will take this chick and we will put her with the foster mom. And the foster mom will adopt her, and it will grow and grow strong and will be protected, because this one is not very good at protecting them against other chickens or predators. But she's very good at being broody, so we let her hatch the eggs and the foster mom to take care of them. We have also multiple different types of meat birds, not just the game hens. We have grazers, and they're more natural breed, so they're like the Cornish, except they're natural how they were, like they're just naturally get fat. And then we have a few turkey pullets right here, turkey poults. They're all girls. We have about a dozen of them, and they're raised for meat, and they do lay eggs too, but not as many as chickens. And that's why you don't get them in the stores, because they're more rare. We also have egg-laying birds that we just have for eggs. Like the Americana's right there. That is Americana. That one is sort of a barnyard mix sort of thing, because Americanas are full of different types of colored chickens. That one right there is a girl, so she lays eggs. And then like right there we have a boy. We originally thought that chicken was a girl, but it's actually a rooster. His name is Twinkle Toes because he had his toes are not normal. And he is an Easter egger, so not an Americana. See, what Easter eggers are, they're called Easter eggers because they lay kind of like Easter eggs, because the eggs can be all sorts of different colors, like green, pinkish color, light brown, brown, white, all sorts of different colors. And then we've also got like barred rocks, which are black ones with speckles, like right there. Right there we got a barred rock. And then, yeah, and then there's a baby Americana. And we just got a bunch of different chickens.